Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to format text elements in your Google Vids projects. So let's say you're working on a Google Vids project and you don't like the way that text is appearing on a certain slide. There's just something off about it, and you want to reformat it. So what you can do is you can go up to the Format menu, and then notice none of this is available. Right? And the reason is these format options are only going to be available if you have content selected for which these formatting options can even be applied. So if I want to format text, I have to select something that has text in it. So if I select this text box right here, it's got text in it. If I go back up to format, notice text is now available, as are a bunch of other options. If I hover over text, I can change that text to bold, italicize it, underline it, strike through it, turn it into superscript or subscript for any math people out there. I can change the size, the color of the text, the highlight color of the text. This will just basically create a colored box around the text. So if I click on that, you can see bright green highlighting, as if somebody took a giant bright green highlighter and just marked right over it. And then lastly, the capitalization, you can turn everything lowercase, everything uppercase, or turn it into title case, which could be convenient if there are a lot of words and you want everything lowercase or everything uppercase, and it's not already. That could be a pain to try to change all of that. But that's all the different ways that you can reformat text using the Format menu. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.